Inspirational Personal Pizza on page 60 in my Pop It in the Toaster Oven cookbook. Here is my nice ready-made pizza crust I got at the grocery store. You know, this is like a canvas for a painting. And you may know I'm an artist, and anytime I can be creative, I love it. So, to begin with, this inspirational personal pizza, I am brushing the crust with olive oil. I'm painting the crust with tomato sauce, adding a sprinkling of chopped onion, how about a splash of green bell pepper, some nice chopped mushrooms, some black olives, this is lean ground turkey. Powdered garlic, and I am preheating my toaster oven to 400 degrees right now. A little salt. Shredded mozzarella cheese. Oh boy. And oregano. Popping the inspirational pizza into the toaster oven. Oh, and I had this pizza loaded with toppings. It was 20 minutes at 400, but 20 minutes to sheer bliss. How would you make your pizza? Be inspired. And if you don't have a toaster oven, maybe you should consider getting a toaster oven. Big pizza in the oven. The kitchen was not heated up at all. 20 minutes to the perfect pizza of your liking.